To add your N26 card to Apple Pay, start by making sure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have the latest version of iOS or iPad OS installed. You also need to have an N26 account and an N26 card. First, open the Wallet app on your device, which can be found on the home screen. If you cannot find it, you can swipe left from the home screen and type Wallet in the search bar. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start the process of adding a new card. Select Continue, then choose Credit or Debit Card. Take a photo of your N26 card or enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a photo, place your card on a flat surface and make sure it is well lit. The camera will automatically detect the card details. If you enter the details manually, you will need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code. The security code is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. After entering the card details, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Read through the terms carefully, then select Agree to continue. You will then be prompted to verify your card with N26. This is a security step to ensure that the card is being added by the legitimate account holder. You may receive a verification code by SMS or email, or you may be asked to log in to your N26 account to verify the card. Once your card has been verified, you will see a message confirming that your N26 card has been added to Apple Pay. You can now use your device to make payments with your N26 card. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your device near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites that support it. It is a good idea to make sure you have a passcode or Face ID set up on your device to add an extra layer of security to your Apple Pay transactions. This will help protect your card details and prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily add your N26 card to Apple Pay and start making contactless payments with your device.